me can give it to her. Enough she. Puppet she. She to all your one cloth, you come become a blood clot puppet. Me can't believe me did all rate you upon the app. Up, so. Me now make big pussy shade and rubber do her so. Me now make bumbo clot Roger them do her so. If you did have members to me help you, bro.
Because one of us get here and talk about things. And what if you leave and white earth moving on the earth, you all move on the earth before you. But I'm sure about you every day, you nobody from friend talk about you. You're dead to my friend.
Oh, me come over here talk about 10 every day. When 10 was the one who started this drama back on the internet. When me come out April and say me and 10 point left, guys. You know hear me bring up back 10 point name? Yo, you wicked in a pussy. When me come out, all you have to say every day me I call your name. When me come out, come talk about it, say me and you left. Me never mention your back. Me never mention your back, bro. And you come out, come start this more money in my background. After you come on the internet them time there, you never come up. You do song, you do apology, you apologize again, then you bust out with Shauna. You never came back. Stop making it look like Sammy over here. I fuck with you, bro. 10 points, sign the divorce paper. 10 points, sign my divorce paper. If people them over here, tell himself to sign the divorce paper.
History. First and foremost, you see all of them things the way you store up in your phone. Eh? You have plans for this day now. Your mackerel come like the same thing.
Him say me a store them up in my phone. 10 points. Up to now, me I go show you something. I try next phone me depend. 10 points. You see that video that when me having on my phone, the several video when me having on my phone with you crying? I never know that day would come. I didn't have to store them. You send them to me. You never send them in a one view. You send them to me for me watch them over and over and over again. Me and mackerel is not the same thing. You send them to me for me to watch them and say, I cried, you cried. Me not even delete my crying video. So when me I delete your one for?
Don't play with bumbuckler players. Play with feelings when girls don't move on with them life already, fam. Girl, move on with them life already, fam. And say them happy with them there.
We need a divorce. We need a divorce. Your ball out say why you divorce. Alright, 10 point. When I carry the paper, come here, go sign it? Yes or no? 10 point, I have one question for you. When I carry the papers to you, are you going to sign them? Yes or no? You no go ask him that. Say 10 point, me go carry the paper. You see next trip when I go foreign, me go carry the papers, them come give you signature. Sign. Sign.
This don't look good. You're so good, Tanya.
Shauna, shut the fuck up. Can you tell him say this don't look good and you boot him for come on this? Remember say he's a follower.
Always. The only reason why me cause this is because of me.
Hear that? Shauna is not because of you. Shauna, don't trick yourself. Shauna says because of she. Shauna it did a play out with anybody cause 10 wanted her up. Shauna want feel important, you know. Shauna, mama tell us something, Shauna. Up to now, you not mention in an argument that him put you in it. This argument is about me and 10, Shauna. Shauna, go only give her one bench figure sit down now. Shauna, sit this one out. Shauna, sit it out, baby girl. It is not about you.
People business because them used to sleep together. People used to sleep together. You don't get involved. If you're a friend,
you're already involved, girl. But it's not about you. I don't cuss you. I said you come by me last night. I'm gonna answer you already. Let her talk to my husband about it. Shauna train. Let me talk to my husband about the divorce papers, darling. Can I talk to my husband about the divorce papers, Shauna? Shauna, since you want to be a part of it. Woman to woman, if I take the papers to you, will he sign it? Shauna Chin, I'm just asking you a question. Since you want to be a part of it so bad, when I take the divorce papers for you, will you sign it back? Can't find it back. Hold on there. Shauna is over the live saying that as she put herself, Shauna, nobody's putting you in it. Nobody's not cussing about you and 10 being together. Stop trick your blood clot self. You are in the middle of what? Shauna, you notice that when you come live and 10 is not there, you're a nobody? So without 10 fueling you, you are a nobody. Without me fueling the two, you are nobody. Stop telling yourself that about it's all because of you. Shauna, it is not because of you. You're not a prize. You're not nobody's prize over here. Shauna, go and sit this one the fuck out. Cause all me a cuss this morning, me a cuss me blood clot. Husband, nobody don't mention you, Shauna. It is not about you. Cause in a 10 point, Eddie win a prize. And you can't wrong him. Kinda really used to not no good. This is not about me. This is about me and 10 point, Shauna. Sit this one the fuck out. At 10 point, I come over here for rub. Cause you now do not need no. You now do not need no. All you do I try I get little clout off of this. All you do I try get little clout. Me I done 10 and 10 I done me. Sit this one out, Mark. Sit this one out. Cause last night you come about me about fuck out of foreign. And that's why I come this morning. Cause no been I do, I'm not answer. No been I do. This last night when you do I live, I'm about them fuck out foreign and come to Jamaica go like them as somebody. And that's why I'm come on this morning. Yeah, I do too much. I do too much cause all me never the answer, you know. Shauna, you're only 10 point prize. Cause nobody want 10. If me show up 10 so much and everybody says a 10, I want big waist man. You think no right it girl in them head want blood clot 10 and you alone that take him. Cause no right it man in a for them head now are you. I just your blood clot truth. You could have pretty like money. You fuck them can't rub out. And nobody no really want to fuck out like you. I just the truth. Nobody don't want 10. 10 I had to hit the bottom of the barrel. And because 10 is also the bottom of the barrel, you make a complete pair. Adjust the blood clot truth. The most you can chat about me, I say my mouth Lord. But you can't call me a fucky ducky chucky. Ninja man would never come out and talk about me or any other artist. Me could never be a selector drive out and a blood clot sound DJ traffic out. No artist and no blood clot. No artist and no selector on a rate 10 point right now. 10 point, you if you stick to your music. And your music you if you stick to. That's your music there, what me that try help you with. That's your music there, what me that pay for music video with. They see your music, what me that buy clothes if you look good enough. And that you should have stick to. No use a TikToker. 10 point, when me and you there, you tell me say you're not on a TikToker because you're an artist. 10 point, I'm sorry to burst your bubbles. 10 point, you are now a TikToker. 10 point, you are now a TikToker. Somebody tell him now. All this time you think say you are an artist. No. No, you are a TikToker. You are no different from Six, Swiss, and all the boys them. You are tapping up the screen. You are doing one panny double. You all start say, chat, what do you think, chat? 10 point, you are not an artist anymore. You are not an artist anymore. You are. We start here, you said triple shot. 10 point, when you want a match, since you want TikToker, add me, make me how you play a match. Somebody go over there, go tell him 10 point. 10 point. Come here, may you play one match. Come here, play one match. How much money you want to make today? You are a TikToker, sweetheart. You are no longer. See if all your song them can bust off a TikTok. Beg somebody do a foreign page for you start make money off of your video them. It's like how you like PS post video now. Babes, you want TikToker, get with the program. Taps and Roses is on you. Come on now. Mayday. 10 point, you are a TikToker. You are no more in the artist fraternity. You did a song on the DJ Mac rhythm and it went nowhere. You did 3 songs with Shauna and it went nowhere. You are now a TikToker. You are the only one who was lost on DJ's Mac rhythm. Even Candy did a song on DJ Mac rhythm and now it's trending. You are now a TikToker. Yeah.
Somebody said send my chin and for your finger in the comment section.
Fuck, it's okay, mama. Y'all know one TikTok. I lie me I tell? To all you used to run from being a TikToker. You know what I'm glad say? You know what I'm glad say to all of this? You can't say me bring down your career. You can't say me bring... Guys, who bring down him career? Who bring down 10 point? Me live because you bring down your whole blood clad career. Me live because you bring down your own career. You know it's sweet me? You know you did want to blame me and your family them, and you come bring down your own blood clad career. All dirty iron balloon blood clad. When you did figure love studio, you out here love mock. Oh, you did a go boss. When you did fear gas studio, what did you learn from Lincoln Tree that? Lincoln Tree that have a studio in him house. Him call you numerous amount of time to come make song, build song and supported you. You love mock over music. This is why now you are a TikToker.
Nice fucking woman. Nice fucking woman.
Me I was fucking woman? Gus. Eh? What him say about her?
Best fucking woman.
Him say my mother best fucking woman?
Nice fucking woman.
Oh, 10 points. So my mother is a nice fucking woman. 10 points. Your mother is a witch. 10 points. Your mother is a witch. 10 points. Your mother is a witch. Your mother is a witch. Your mother 8 kids. Your mother go to church for no reason on a Saturday because you cannot go to church on a Saturday and hate little kids. She hated me and she hated Kingston. Hated me is one because you want your son for yourself. But hating a baby is just diabolical. Like, your mother is a witch. Kingston was a baby. Kingston was a baby. You had to cuss your mother out for Kingston. You had to cuss your mother out for me. That's why when Skipper say, left the broke boy want post the media, are you in my blood clot talk? When Skipper say, left the broke boy want post the media, are you him did that talk? Cause that's all we see you do out here. From me left your hand, me see you out here do a post the media. You broke and a post the media.
Can you go to the clothes that she buy you?
You don't have nothing else to say because you flap pussy. You flap. You flap. You not come make no sense this morning. Because you know the difference between me and you? Me always talk my truth. That's the difference between me and you. And me hold it. Me hold it like a gully mullet. Me hold it and me not try to bring you down. But every blood clot there, you come out, you do something else. You see, once you see the comment section that troll me, it come like it give more strength.
Shauna said she's saying this. She want you two guys to take on the things off the internet and everything.
Shauna go lick out the whole like body them what you used to do and go suck your mama. Shauna go lick out the whole like body them what you used to lick out, but you want you guys. You go like you're somebody. You're somebody? You know see all the blood clot blind and alone you're a trick. When I tell 10 say you're quiet. Remember say every boy will suck your pussy and you come tell the world. You know what they are Shauna they now a full-blown girl relationship. All of us, Shauna you're not nobody. You all we know this. Don't come go like you're goody two shoes because you submit to one crosses. Remember say me they submit to one crosses. When you come talk nice for Shauna use a hooligan just like blood clot me. Because you come out with your hooligan ways. I'm going to dig up back a screen recording them. When you are robot cuz, when you are robot Italian, when you come out can robot the girl what they are and call the girl suck pussy girl. Bad to bad. Me rub man but me not talk about bedroom business. Up to all me a costing right now, me not talk about one bedroom business. Me from me a costing all now, me not talk about one bedroom business. Because when me a cuss man and tell them things them what affect me. You notice when me talk about bedroom business, me say the boy did give me a good fuck. Yeah, girl come out and can rub man and done man. Don't mix. Shauna, me and you on 2 different levels of life. We are not the same. Don't fucking size up with me. There is no comparison to us. There is no comparison to me and you, Shauna Chin. And that are just a blood clot truth. Don't make them boost you. I can't go anywhere, run any artist and hold my head high. You can't even do that shit.
When she come and call me mockers, got back fuck out, dance and mattress. This and that are reality.
Me did supposed to call you that, Shauna. Me supposed to call you muckers. Me supposed to call you gully bob fuck out. Because you not tell the people to come address the pot. What you doing on me DM? Boy, you want buy things from me. No one say you fuck 10. What you did I doing on me DM? On a too bright. That's why me this you go suck your mother, Shauna.
The manifesto, I can't do it. You start arguing my energy and my truth.
Shauna, you don't have no energy, Shauna. Shauna, you say if you didn't have real energy, you wouldn't have 10 points. Because everybody with real energy left for around 10 points, including me. Shauna, if you didn't have any type of good energy, you wouldn't blood clot end up with 10, me I tell you. Oh, you're so fool. Shauna, oh, you see a man on the internet, a ball saying one back in wife, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, you there with him? So you's a fool? You're a dumbest bitch, me know. Stop embarrassing yourself. Me can't answer Shauna. Crystal, done. Me can't answer Shauna. This a foolishness. Shauna, me give up on you. Me done. If you don't say me earth, then me earth. If this a earth, I love it. You know what mash up your energy. You know what mash up your energy, but you take up married man. What cross his team wife? Shauna, you know what mash up your energy, but you're with a married man? Hello? I don't think nothing can come good off that. 10 point, me have an idea for you. You want your divorce and me want my divorce. Go pawn out the chain, go sell it, and send the money come, you could put it in the divorce and you sign the paper. Go sell the chain. Go sell it. Go sell it. Me give you as a gift, but you put it on Shauna. Me no want back a chain, you know. Me could never want back nothing at all when me give you, you know. But fear is fear. Sell the chain and make up use the money and put it in a divorce. Me think that I fear is thing. A $5,000 feet of foreign. How much money that at Jamaica? Me no know it deep value because you have it for 2 years. So maybe I can get 125. Do something. Do something for a change. Me no want back nothing when me ever give. Because when me give them from Yasso. But true, me not have it because me have to send Paris God something there. Go college. Me ask you, say, out of something what me give you. Can you just give it up and pawn it out and make you put it in a divorce? Anything when me give for you. Me think you deserve it. I don't want nothing back from you. If you want to keep your chain because of your gift, just help me with the divorce money now, my friend. Since you want this to be over, me want it to be over, come on. Help me with the divorce money now, my J. Fear or fear. I don't stop tell lie for Rose because Rose never play a match with me. So Rose couldn't want to play a match with me now. Rose don't add me. Rose have her own clout. No, him never beg me for your chain. Me give him as a gift, him birthday gift. So it's his. I don't want it back. I don't want back nothing that I ever give you or done for you. I didn't even talk about what I do for you. Because there's so much that I did that I don't need to talk about. Because I come from a good place. But me not gonna talk, say, and then me first blood clot the whole heap of things, though. Because you want to act like say me never do nothing. You want to act like say I was just the girl who was a miserable girl. You want to come out here and paint a picture like me only did noisy and give me a problem. I've done so much. I made you look good. That was my mission. I wanted you to be a star. I wanted you to play the part. You see, if you say me obsessed with 10, I guess 10 fully obsessed back with me. You know why? Because him up on the internet I do the most. Show me who obsessed with who. Me over here talk. Every day me come sell. If comment section no fuck with me, nobody no hear my mouth. 10 is over here doing the most every single day. So who's obsessed with who? If comment section no come for me, you no hear me call 10 name. If comment section no come for me, you no hear me call 10 name. Me move on, you know. 10 have all the rights to move on with him life, you know. But you know, have to remember, so this is the same 10 point who don't do social media, and he's not a TikTok, and him hate TikTok people them, and all of these things. I can admit that I fuck with his baby mother because she fuck with me. Remember, say 10 come out in a voice note and say big old K and it can't rub out. So you say me want you all blood clot 10 point every blood clot day. Me should that me can do that if me want. Now girl and no boy no can size up and tell me nothing. If me decide say me want you all bumbo clot 10 point every day me supposed to. Cause me input through things them. And me input through the things them. And he make people come class me and bring me down upon this. So you say me did bust a blood clot Rochelle and come talk about him every day. Me did supposed to no blood clot. And me never take that route there. Me outside enjoy myself, I got party and I fuck out my all. And come over here, come do what me normally do. Talk about fuck, talk about relationship and talk about man. But everything what me do, you put it on blood clot. Remember blood clot in them. And me put you agony. And my heart him report on my chest. And me him did a sell story and I tell fake story. You see my hurt and I want to talk about him, my blood clot talk about it. But at the end of the day, I never did a talk about him. And him rise up the blood clot internet. And him just a do it and I do it and I do it and I do it. And I be a sneak this. You sneak this me in a song. You sneak this me this. When that was not enough, you team up with Bumbo Clot. Don't know what pussy share. When you look at Batman, you have a cuss me for you. When you look with the Batman, Raja cuss me for you. You sit down and watch the internet near me up. Share, Raja, who else? That big fat ugly brown girl there. You sit down, you set all of them for me. You never said anything. You know what you do? You come back over, you come laugh. You come back over, you come laugh. And you set the internet for me. I know you want to come ball cree when I walk my mouth. In a one year when you make share and the whole of them, you and share and the whole of them group up for me. And me have to bring down share them. You know, come out, come say nothing. You laugh or you chat or you play a match. And when me I bring down share them all, no, me not touch you. That never please you enough. The most me tell you that night that you go suck your mother. And I say chat tell 10 point go suck your mother. Because you did deserve that suck your mother there. Bad to blood clot bad. I want somebody out of a whole TikTok. And she might do it messy. But I the only girl I see can defend me of Ivani. One of my worst blood clot enemy. So where is Shauna did there? Where is Shauna did there was Shauna my blood clot friend for say, okay, 10 come off of this because the girl not over here trouble you. Where is Shauna did blood clot there when me hype up and dep and have on the back. One did there. It take me enemy if you can say, hey girl, come off of this and left it girl. I just say truth. Him come and to me in my class, everybody accept him. First of all, 99% of uno never rate Shauna. At 10 come back, come give Shauna a forward pan this. 99% of uno over here so now never rate Shauna. When Shauna go live at 30 and 40 people upon Shauna live. I seen Shauna start fuck 10 Shauna live gone up. You know why? Because it's around her. Because it's around me. Because with 10, it comes she. Nobody never used to even sit down on Shauna live. Nobody don't give Shauna no nothing. At 10 come give Shauna the biggest forward she ever get on TikTok. And a me get 10 him biggest forward on blood clot TikTok. And a me come goon the biggest forward on TikTok. Yeah, Kavi come. Kavi come on the screen one idea them with me too. And so the blood clot do him. I'm not going to tell no lie. Kavi did come the night when me a rub. No rank over you no like me. That's why I say me not no blood clot friend. The night when me that mash up the whole of them over there. When she go for her story and it not go nowhere. All him dep and move on. Who trouble him? Over share. What truth? What truth? Shauna saying nobody don't care about the truth. What is the truth? The truth, Shauna. What is the truth, Shauna? Come talk the truth where you know. The truth is, K and 10 left. K come out, come tell the world say she and 10 left. The world drag K and said to K, say, we know the boy never wire from morning. 16 balloon, the relationship done. K and Yamed, the boy use her, and that keep for 1 month blood clot straight. After me done, we not hear about nothing about 10 and K. 10 come over here after September and say, man in your background, this and that, ray, this, that, and him start. From 10 come out that morning, come talk about money in your background and start call all on fake page. And him come out, come say, I want me divorce. Then him come out back and say, my wife, me sorry. Then him do an apology video. Then him do, he never came back off the internet. I didn't start this. I did not start this. It is done from me and you come back in October. November now you come out with Shauna. When you come out with Shauna, I talk what Shauna did. Mr. Shauna come in on my blood clot DM I try go like said she want play in my face. And then come over here and start play a gift. The morning, night when I go up and share live and talk when me I talk, right after that, 10 and Shauna became the biggest thing. Tant Shauna wake up the next morning and say, at least my mother-in-law love me. Come now, man. And I just said start from. And 10 never rest after that. On a talk, fear of fear. Fear of fear. That's how it all started. I didn't bring you a back up. You appear back on the bumbleclot internet. And started doing the most. And then you get battery dolly blood clot share. You all on sit down and plan per phone. And then you do the song and you drop the song. And share make sure you dig out the song piece by piece, inch by inch. For fling it out for people. And I saw the people them start troll me. From you do the song, it wasn't about the song. The song is actually a nice song because me and no pussy. But I share on use for fling out the song. And Shay dig down the song inch by inch, piece by piece. Each time Shay talk something about the song, Shay say, him really did hate the girl for true. 10, oh, you're so wicked. To oh, Shay did that go on. At first, people, they think that Shay did on my side. Too much time Shay did that go on. 10, you're wicked, Jesus Christ. Look on the chemistry. Look where am I looking at Shauna face. No, man, them there for true. Remember, then Shay come back out, come say, P on the PR for do it. You remember good no man? So who did that troll who? A big pussy boy 10 point. Go lick out your mother. You think you can come chat no. Screen recording out there. Go lick out your mother pussy. You use share to make the internet troll me. When share go as far as he say, no man, me not share no girl but 10K pussy off a big for true. Because here the man a sing about Shauna pussy. You remember good no man? And then play the big. When Shauna click her live, the only part Shauna play every single day. Pussy tight, pussy tight, pussy tight. So that I never trolling. And in all of them time, them me no chat, me no cuss no. When she say she look away and the people them a rub her, she say me come talk about her body. Up to now, me no cuss she about her body. When she ain't have nothing for cuss me, boy, she say, "Can I bring down my body?" You don't ever see a screen recording with me I bring down she body? Never, ever, ever. Because I know me believe in the body. You see when Shay, Raja, and the rest of them rise up on me and Mackerel, and the Friday night I went for all of my machines, I'm a bust, be a bomber clad shot, everybody scatter. Remember good no man? Remember me put on my bulletproof vest and go for be a bomber clad vibes cartel and kill them all and done. And me give Mackerel one special moment for herself. When she them feel like say them a go win a blood clot war, then go for Gabby with 10 did a look or fuck or whatever. And me got a brood. I'm a flop done Gabby too. And me and the watch shoot girl and just walk out with the weapon them power back. Victory march we doing that night there. Ask the people, it is on screen recording. The war never ever got done till the whole of them dead. Remember good. Remember say you gay. Share message when me and ya cuss and she come read them pan her life pussy. So don't come talk about me a text it for you. You know what you would do. After that, it never please you. After the song drop and everything. Bumper clad. When me look at the pan Jeffrey again. You know what you go over Jeffrey go do? Go tell the world say, K did I do things to a true me never want talk. And all you come over here talk. I know you can't talk when me did blood clot though. And that we want you talk. When me did do. Cause so you big me up on Jeffrey, I saw you take me off. Kay is a good woman, but I true me no want talk what she do. Remember good no man? So who did I bring down who? Who did I shade who? You say you're a bumbleclad artist and everywhere your name then a mix up. 10 points from the bottom of my heart and you know this because you know me an idiot girl. You know say you fuck worse amok than Shauna. So me could never in my mind bumbleclad mad boy and Shauna. You's a madman. You see from the day, remember say me ask if you fuck Shauna, you tell me no, you know. You see from me find out say you fuck Shauna for true. Talk on me say 10. If you really fuck Shauna, me could never fuck you back coming now fuck after Shauna. Remember good no man? So don't come over here, come post no blood clot picture and paint no picture like somebody come over here, trouble your pussy. When your sister me nah answer, the whole place around with it and I say, yo, K silent, K nah answer. You reach pan Jeffrey, bro. For all of your life, you do blood clot music. Jeffrey never call you yet and tell us, say, yo, make me hear one song. To all Jeffrey fucked you up in that interview. Jeffrey not even make you play when I sang them when you play for blood clot, Shauna. I sang when you ride for me, you can sing. Pussy. You know see the boy flop you too. Jeffrey, sit down and play in your fucking face. I know you're not blood clot seat because you're a clown. And when Jeffrey do, Jeffrey play your clown girl beside you. And when my sister Jeffrey I go clown all me too, because I nearly drop in night. Me say, Jay, when me have one real story, me come back. Go suck on the mother. Me is a one girl army from me come from blood clot TikTok. No boy and no girl no pick up for me. No girl and no boy no war for me. And one mistake me make over this. And I have a friend hippity happy to blood clot handicap Mackerel. And she make sure so me feel it. So me couldn't friend no again. As an artist, when you do pan clowning bumbleclot interview, when you go do an interview about your upcoming music, me's a one girl army all the time. Cause remember, so me know some is most hated over here. Only no blood clot like me. And you go hate me 10 points cause me not hide nothing. Me not hide nothing. I saved you. I've been saving you. And I'm still saving you. I saved you. Me sit down and take robot for you. Me sit down and take disgrace for you. Me sit down and take bring down for you. And through all of it. Till all people start class me. She have strength for Mackerel. She have strength for Shay, but she not done the boy. She want done Shauna, but she not done the boy. I'ma sit down. I'ma take it. I'ma start sell my things. Them comment section start come by me. So me know for answer. So what? My mother left on that bumbleclad alpa. No man. Better today done for you now. Better today done for you now. Cause me talk everything when me for talk, you know. For all I claim say crash out them wanna say me that do. See a real crash out ya. Me not trouble your pussy. Remember I 3 times them when me fuck you, me fuck and go back on me yard. Me never come fuck and stay. Cause I know you still wasn't it. Did I try? Yeah. Did I know 10 points? Me knowing myself I will never win with you. That's one of the biggest thing. Me couldn't go back in our relationship, but you fuck nice, so me that take you back. So me come back feet when me never did have nobody to fuck me. Cause me did big as single. But me couldn't take you back serious. I don't win when I'm with you. My mind not contented to win when me there with you. You know what I do? You know what I do from here you left? I move into a new apartment. I fix some of the things in my house in foreign. I am on the verge of starting a rental company. I'm going to start a jewelry business. I start sell clothes, jewelry, slippers and bag. I never got nothing when I was with you. I never gained anything when I was with you. So if you ask me, I am motherfucking winning. And it's not with TikTok money because they hardly give me gift. So just imagine if me that get gift. All of my TikTok money go to Paris school. So anytime when you give me, just know it's for a good cause. Can you see that girl there? One day when she have real money, she go come out and say, Mom, for all the TikTok people who give me, I want to give them back something. I know my daughter. Sometimes we're stagnant with some pussy cause them stagnant. So no I can't talk about she a lose and she hurt my bumbo clot. If me sell one slippers feed I'm happy. Cause me get a sale when me never did get yesterday. With you I lose. With you I cannot win. Cause every time I save one money, something else happen. When me have to go in there for help blood clot you. No matter me and my sister war every day, me and her. Guys, serious inquiries only. I have an Infinity. A Q50 Infinity S. 3.5. It very fast and speedy. You know when you get the car, when you turn the car into something else. That's the only thing me have what can remind me of me and him. Somebody please buy it from me. I did 2.5 me I sell it for if somebody come with $2 million right now, I take it. My car is a very sexy car. 20s rims upon it, 20s tire upon it. It's sexy as fuck. Inside I clean everything. Help me get him off of me completely. The car is the only thing that's left. It's a 2014. Clean. And me carry it in. Me are the only user from Jamaica. Me ship it come from Japan here. And me ask please, if anybody a look a car for buy, you can come call me at any time. I say me rather sell it, me rather lose just to me want get rid of it. And one night me and Crystal a drive go one party and one bike man ride up on me. And him say, Ratted, me think I umbre, and more than one time that happened to me because them think of him. You see when car sell, all I wanna always change it to be. For me personally, him used to drive it too much. And every time I drive my car, you know so me stop driving my car now. Me stop driving my car, somebody else's car me a drive. To for sure you say me no want have nothing to remember that pussy there. It is a Q50 S 4-door Infinity. Hold on, let me see if it's there in the phone here. For sure, no brother. So don't come tell people about them obsessed with you. Cause even my own a car when I drive. Even my own a car when I buy, me no want inner. Cause it remind me of blood clot you. Come now man, hold on. Me I go post it. I say if you have $2 million come, I rather lose. I rather fucking lose. At the price that they myself for. And another phone right there. Hold on. Yeah, man. If you no go on B, when you B40 or B50, you no see them. I sell for 2.4, 2 point this. Not do a car, and second of all, the car just too fast for me. It too speedy for me. And when me dey on it, the police are gonna stop me. Them car that for people who can drive fast car, we like fast car. Females, if you not like fast car, don't come buy me car. Me I telling you the truth, it too fast. It too fast for you. And me can't manage them fast car there for you. See it here? Me I post it. See it there? See it there? Press start. Wait there again. So the rims them upon it. I just want it go on. Me just see there. Me I post the picture of them. I just want it go on. Guys, I just want it go on. Yeah, I just want it go on. If you go on B50 or B40 where car them post, most Infinity my type of car I sell for 2.4, 2.5, 2.3. Me say if you have $2 million, me give you to all me want, get rid of everything. Cause you used to drive me car like a year one. Till all girls start cuss me. Brother, till all girl where you fuck cuss me. Come out of the man blood clot car cause you go like your things. Remember good no 10 point? You took my shit over like it was yours. Jaden don't want no car. Real people we call me. Jaden don't want no car. Yeah. The real people them, me not sell Jaden no car. Jaden can't go anywhere. You see, you know have people like as gimmicks. Jaden don't want no car. Jaden I type when me buy my car and come back and talk about fault depending and none of the penny. I have to go tell Jaden go suck out his mother. I not sell Jaden no car. I want somebody who just want a nice car. One of the dog them will like speed. Cause I can't tell you ask anybody fast like blood clot gun. Me can't manage the speed where it come with neither. But every time I sit down in a car, especially if my dad Spanish town, people think of him. I'm not like that feeling there. So when you get the car, you change it up how you want. Remember say license plate I got change on everything. And you shape it how you want shape it. But for God's sakes, I will pound over here and no look at car. I am removing everything of 10 point from me. You see all the tattoo here when me did like so much it code, it a come off blood clot too. Cause you see the code represent you. A barcode, I actually like it, but make it go on. Hey, tattoo man, eyes, cover this. Suck your mother, idiot boy. You feel like you can come style me and bring me down? Big idiot boy. You know long me a hold it down and not say nothing. Come here and say, yo, me no want a next man come feel like say me is this girl where I go come bring down the man. You know how much boy I fuck before you and me not bring them down. A story time and gimmicks me do with the boy them. You ever see a bumbuckler boy come out and come this me? Him if he say, me rub out bumbuckler Vavi and Vavi still have good for say about me. Me rub out Juvie and Juvie still have good for say about me. A dirty narcissist couldn't even come say about me. No boy no have nothing bad for say about me. Pussy cause me never treat no boy bad. When my sister a boy is not for me, I take up my foot them and run. Me not care how much time when I say I'm married and how much man me ever have. Me not take bad treatment for invitation. It must come to a blood clot end. And anytime it come to an end, me leave. So if it take me 2 years, 3 years, me not go stay in it for blood clot ever. You know why your bumbo clot problem? I told you they look for me and tell me, say, let me tell you something, Shauna. No girl never left me and no girl can't left me. Clap that bitch. Guys, I'm done.